Hello guys, welcome back to Scratch Tutorials. I made some Scratch tutorials I think last year, um, but I am starting a new series, so this is Scratch Tutorial Part 1. I'm planning to make maybe 10 Scratch tutorials for you guys, but today's tutorial will be uh, showing you how to make your sprite, which in this case it is the Scratch Cat, how to move with the arrow keys, just like this. All right. So the first thing we want to do, it is a very simple code too. So the first thing is we want to go to events right here and get this when flag is clicked. Okay. And then we want to go down to control right here and get the forever loop. What this does is when flag is clicked, which is kind of like when the game is started. And this forever loop for in this video is pretty much acting like a whenever loop, kind of. Okay, so forever or whenever if so you want to get the if then statement and go down to sensing right here, get a key space pressed and put that in there. Okay, so now when flag is clicked, whenever key space is pressed, then also we can change this to up arrow. Then you want to go up to here to motion, go to change Y by, and change instead of 10, let's do 6. So what this does is when flag is clicked, whenever the key up arrow is pressed, then we're changing Y, the Y axis, by 6. So we're kind of like moving 6 steps up. If we play our game right here by pressing this green flag and we press the up arrow, it should go up. All right, it can't go down, left, or right, but it can go up. To make it go down, left, or right, we want to get this if statement here. Let me zoom in a bit closer for you guys. We're going to get this if statement right here. We're going to right click it, duplicate. Now you have this whole thing. Put that right under, still in the forever loop. Okay? Then change the up arrow to down arrow and change the Y by -6. Now, if we play our game, we can go up and down with the arrow keys. Okay, now left and right is a bit different, but really similar to this. Get this if statement, duplicate it by right clicking, then press duplicate. Put this under. Now it's still in the forever loop. We're going to change the up arrow to right arrow and change this one to left arrow. Okay, now instead of changing Y by a number, we want to change it by X because right and left is on the X axis, going left and right. So get rid of these by placing them in this little area over here where you get the box. That deletes them. And then go to motion, change Y by 10. We're going to change X by 10. Change this to 6 since it's the right arrow. And duplicate this, just this, and put in the left arrow. -6. So now, if we play our game full screen, we have the arrow keys working now. That is Scratch Tutorials Part 1, and I will see you guys later in Part 2.